Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make ginseng wine using an easy method. This traditional tonic is celebrated for its potential health benefits and can be a wonderful addition to your home. We'll cover everything from selecting the right ingredients to the simple brewing process, ensuring you can create your own batch with confidence. Get ready to learn a straightforward approach to crafting this unique beverage right in your kitchen. Now, let's gather what you'll need. For the ginseng, aim for about 100 to 200 grams of fresh, high-quality roots. Next, select a neutral spirit. Vodka or a good rice wine with 40 to 50% alcohol by volume works perfectly. Finally, you'll need a clean, large glass jar. Make sure it's thoroughly sterilized and completely dry to prevent any unwanted contamination in your brew. The brewing process is quite simple. First, gently wash your ginseng roots and let them air dry completely. This is crucial. Once dry, carefully place the roots into your sterilized glass jar. Next, pour approximately 1 liter of your chosen neutral spirit over the ginseng, ensuring the roots are fully submerged. Finally, seal the jar tightly and store it in a cool, dark place. Let it infuse for at least 3 months. After at least 3 months, your ginseng wine will be ready, but for the best flavor, consider aging it for 6 months to 1 year. Always store the sealed jar in a cool, dark place, away from any direct sunlight, to preserve its quality. When serving, remember it's a tonic, so small portions are key. Enjoy about 30 to 60 milliliters at a time to appreciate its unique qualities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.